This is a video on the driver's page for the Trucker Shield portal. When you first open up the portal, the first page it brings you to is our driver's page. And this page gives you a quick snapshot of what all your drivers are doing. You can quickly see here how many drivers you have in each duty status. We default to all drivers in all terminals and all subsets that are only active drivers. But if you want to pull up individual drivers, I'll pull up Steve, for example. This gives us a whole bunch of information here. Driver ID, driver name, whether they're currently connected or disconnected from an ELD device, the vehicle that they're associated with, their status, the last time they checked in, the last position or known position, time until break, drive, shift, and cycle time. When they gain time, you're currently on duty, so they can't calculate when you would gain time or how much time you would gain. How much time they gained at the start of the day. This is a couple days in the past, but this would normally say 11 hours. They currently have plenty of time left in your drive, shift, and cycle, so there's no next pending violation or time until that violation. But as these clocks count down, these will then appear. They currently have 9 uncertified logs that you can certify on your tablet, and you have no violations currently associated with this driver. Now, this information, all this information can be customized by clicking the Show Hide columns here. So maybe you don't want to see driver ID. Maybe you want to see vehicle first before driver name. Maybe you don't care about the connection, but you can just drag and drop the different columns, and you can check and uncheck them depending on what columns you want to see. And then you would click Save at the bottom, and then that would save it for you. So now we start with the vehicle, then the status, then the driver name. This can also be sorted by terminals. That's for large companies. For example, if they have a terminal out in California and they have a terminal in Florida and they only want to see what's going on the Florida terminal, they can pull up the Florida terminal and just view the drivers down here. It would then re-add up here how many drivers you have in each duty status based upon the data set that you're looking at down below. Now, subsets are just groups of drivers within a terminal. And then the last way is by active or inactive drivers. And an inactive driver is either a driver who has left the company or maybe a seasonal employee. Also, all the information on this page can be exported by clicking the export button in the upper right-hand corner.